Boston Center, Reliance 971 is declaring an emergency of a baggage smoke indicator, like to land at Westhampton.
971, roger that, and you cleared the Westhampton via radar vectors, fly present heading, descend and maintain pulse 200.
Present heading and 200, Reliance 971.
And Reliant 971, silly question, what's the identifier here for Westhampton? Is that HPO or CPO?
FOK, Fox Oscar Kilo, Reliant 971.
Reliant 971, thank you. And Reliant 971, do you need services on the ground?
Affirm, Reliant 971.
Okay, hold on one second. American 2276, kind of Boston Center 13518.
35-8, American 2276, good day.
971, when able, how many souls do you have on board and what's your fuel remaining in minutes?
6 souls on board, 2.5 hours of fuel for Reliant 971.
Thank you.
And Boston, Reliant 971, like to turn direct to the airport as soon as possible.
971, I understand that. For now, how about let's go 20 degrees to the right. Once we get you a little bit lower, there's other traffic in the way. We're going to get you into Westhampton as soon as possible here.
All right, 20 degrees right for now, Reliant 971.
Reliant 971, turn right heading up 290.
290, Reliant 971.
So you know what, Reliant 971, let's make that 310 heading contact Boston Center 13518.
310, 35-8, Reliant 971. Boston, Reliant 971, 217, descending 200, heading 310.
Reliant 971, Boston, low, descend and maintain 11000, descending out there 2990.
1,990, Reliant 971.
Reliant 971, is it easier if you go west and then, or you just want to stay on that 310 heading? Let me know what the best heading for you is.
Roger, you know what they're landing at Westhampton?
We'll go. 971, they're landing 24.
And can I get in visually, or is it ILS?
I'm not, they said ILS 24, but I'm sure they could work something out for you if you need it.
Roger, we can, this heading looks fine, just to join the left base for us.
Okay, Reliant 971, they are aware of the situation. Contact nearest approach 125.907 and continue on that heading.
2597, thanks.